How to create a ready-made calendar. First, launch the Calendar Creator app. Choose Create a Ready-Made Calendar option and click on Next. Choose a ready-made template. And then click on Next button. Choose your desired calendar format from tall and wide and then click on Next button. Choose your desired country, state and region and then click on Finish button. After clicking on Finish button, the calendar will create. If you want to change the calendar type, then open the Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Yearly Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Month Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Multi-Week Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Week Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Week Planner Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Day Calendar from Calendar Type drop-down list. Choose Event Report from Calendar Type drop-down list. Thanks for watching.